I'll open the chat when I get back. The bread. Okay. Put the bread together, 2 and 2 together. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm also gonna play another song after this one when it ends. There it is. And which input is that? Sad. I'll be playing that next. Sandwich. Sammed. Okay. Alright, my audio setup. Awesome. Okay. I must code. Now, I need to figure everything out. It might end up being a Monday job. What's up, dude? I can't think of the code. I need a forwarding table for redirecting event lists into local timelines. So maybe I have a module called forwarding table, and then maybe I call it event forwarding. We'll see. Okay, let's do shared. It's a forwarding table. All right, event forwarding. It's actually timeline event forwarding. Wow. So now, when I want to forward events, I actually paid for WinRAR, I see. I just use 710. I don't know. Okay, and then if not forwarding. Row. Okay. So we get the table, and then we do. Should I do? I don't know. Notably, I don't actually need the local timeline ID. I only need the local timeline itself. Where do I put this that didn't exist back in 1995 when WinRAR was saying? Oh. 1995, that was a good year. Okay, so I've written some boilerplate code. what I'm thinking about is my old timer event forwarding system. Hmm. Hmm. Should be around here. Timer event forwarding. So I have this function called forward, and I would forward events from the timer source to the timer sink, and optionally copy the entire timer timeline. But timers don't have timelines anymore. Timelines are separate objects. Reverse forwarding index. Why do I need the reverse forwarding index? Timer removed. I see. It's so that if I remove a timer, the bread. Oh yeah. It's so high quality. It's ridiculous. I gotta go full screen. Like, I just gotta. Imagine seeing a sandwich in HD. You don't have to imagine. It's right there. Okay, so, well, that's the entire module. Is it's got a forwarding index and a reverse forwarding index, and it was local only. But the trick was that I could have replicated timers that would automatically replicate to the server and to other clients and stuff. It was really nice, but it wasn't quite right. Now I have timelines as separate entities. Hmm. 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 I think I was using 5 times 2.5. 3% of your monthly rent. 3%? Well, we'll see about that. I haven't gotten another money drop from Twitch yet. Remember last time I got $189? What is it, like? It's about $2,000 a month. So 12.5 approximately. Ooh. 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 A little bit less than 3%. Unfortunate. All right. So you heard that song. And now there's this song. It's made 1K a month. Yeah. I guess it got a nice price, huh? But it is Canadian dollars. Oh, it's not actually the same song. Boom. Timeline event forwarding. This isn't what I'm talking about. It's not the same. Vancouver. Hmm. Uh-oh. Event added. Is that the yeah, it includes the timeline. So I need to keep track things separate. It just is not good. Love the bread. I've taken something beautiful and destroyed it. So I would just globally hook when any event was created and check if it had a forwarding index and then forward it to the forwarding timers. But now each timeline has its own event added. So I could like just add functions like that. All right, where's the oh, it's in trackers, isn't it? UGI functions. So this is well, that's all the music I got prepared. Okay, what about Whiskey Blues one? How about I just do YouTube recommended and we'll see how that goes. I have to hook up the stupid audio. Stupid. Oh my god. I choose to subvert myself to this. Subject. Okay, wow, that's entirely... Okay. Yeah, it'd be nice if I could make this better. Hmm. 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 Hi. Smiley face. I'm kind of thinking in terms of my old code. I don't necessarily need timeline event forwarding. I don't need a central module to do this. He works. Yes, this time it's real work. I promise. Actually, I never promise. I try to write a witty description every stream for YouTube. But there is no description on Twitch, so I can't. All right, so I think I'm going to just delete timeline event forwarding. Delete. Oh, delete. In the simulation timelines module, I'll create... I can't use the trackers, but okay, that's something else. Okay, I'm stuck in my old ways. So this is simulation timelines. I think I want to change it to be generic timelines. So timeline group. Timelines group, or something like that. So instead of simulation timelines, it's called timelines group. And this is like the only object I need to replicate. So simulation timelines. Oh my god, recording copy timeline. Oh my god. Simulation timelines. Nah. Timeline group or timelines group? Timeline group. Let's go with timeline group. How do I specify? So I could make it a list as an input. Timeline labels. And then go like Go like that. And then we have input, output, run, camera, sound. And then I can do like function. It'll work, right? Function timeline group class. Record other timeline group. And then what that would do, timeline labels. Do I want to do that? Do I want to make timeline labels? So, okay, create timelines. I mean, it would still work. I could make it a extended class or something. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, I think I'm not going to. Uh-oh. I don't know. Input, output, run, camera, sound. Do I have that anywhere else? It's the sound. Do I, okay, if I make a simulation timelines, I'm gonna make it. Grep. I gotta name this. Simulation timelines. So now I actually still have this original file, but when it constructs, it creates a timeline group. Is that it? I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing here. Constructor. Excuse me, constructor. So timer. The outward facing behavior is the same. So there's actually no constructor for the timeline group class. It's just the default constructor. It just builds nothing. It just is a thing with methods. Okay, so self, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so basically, I call this create timelines with timeline labels. And I go like, X create timelines timer, and then simulation timeline labels, something like that. and we just have it as a global. Simulation timeline labels equals beep. Doot doot. This, and that's done. Input, output, run, camera, sound. Wow. So that is the, oh, this is the new class. And then, so now I have a record function here. I can do, okay, this is create timelines. Bah. How do I do this? Need more coffee? All right, we're just going to do create timeline and a singular timeline label. Self label equals, yeah, so create timeline like this. Do I? Wow. Label. So the label is more important than the timer? I guess. Okay, create timeline. Okay, instead of like this, I'll just do it the old way. Okay, we're gonna do 5 lines. It'll be self, create timeline, label, timer. Yeah. And then timeline group record now goes like for label timeline in next. I gotta write down next. Other timeline group do self create timeline label nothing, because recording doesn't require a timer. But I will actually grab the timeline. Roll. Create timeline. Oh. Derf. Derf? Excuse me? Did you just derf? There's crumbs everywhere. Oh, what's this? This is the battery charger preventers thing. Oh my goodness. Okay. Should I just make 2 separate? Bah. God, where do I put this data? So I create a timeline, and what I want to do is other timeline dot event added. Literally just like timeline post event. But I also want to be able to clean it up. And then also copy timeline. Wow. Add event list, except do I just L1 copy? I think I literally just L1 copy. Wait. No, I can move. Other timeline and timeline of events. I don't know. Does it default to everything? That would be nice. Table.move. Move. Bro, I just want table.move, man. Did I delete my code that told me how it works? Because I need to know how it works. All right, I need this searched better. All whole word. There it is. Okay, source 0, source 1, destination. Oh, I'm doing it completely wrong. Okay, I should be able to just go like, destination. So it's like from, can I just nil? That would be nice if I could just do that. Let's see, Roblox wiki, table.move, table.move. Oh my God, it's literally, move. All right, the default for A2 is A1. There is no default values, you're smoking. That's annoying. All right, one number events. Old events plus 1. Okay. Local events equals that. Local old events equals that. Oh, I guess it's other events, not old. Okay, so that should do the job. Table.move. Tail. It said I'm blacklisted. Why and who black has said you? Yes, there is, but only for me and moderators. Which account? What was the name? It says alternate account known cheater. I'm going to send it to the moderators. Hopefully it will be resolved shortly. I'm sorry, you're a known cheater. I don't interact with known cheaters. Hold off. Um. Um. Mm. Okay, so I think what I go do is self dot like I do like if not self dot recording then else timeline group already recording. Uh unrecord. How do I stop recording? Stop recording. Function timeline group class stop recording. Locale. Do I add them? Do I add the in-game moderators? Ayo. Damn. Hi. Hey, you actually looked at the YouTube description. Nice. Reading is a skill that not many people have. Okay, so I need to index the recording functions. I think I can just do that. No, I think I can just do it. So I think I can go. Oh my god, I don't want to do it, man. No, man. I don't want this. I need to figure out how to do this in object-oriented code. Wow. Bro, you can't do that to me, bro. I need to know the exact function. So this is the exact function. And then I go like recording label. Recording. I don't think I need the label. I think I just need the other timeline. I don't even need the other timeline. I just need the event added. Should I just literally unhook? Recording. Okay, so I think I'll write recording timeline group. And I go like self.recording timeline group equals other timeline group, and then self.recording equals recording. And then I go like, I don't want to have these two values, man. It just sucks. Oh my gosh, it sucks. Local recording equals self.recording. Do I need the timeline group? No? I don't need their timeline group. Genius. Okay, nobody cares. Nobody cares. Okay, recording, and then I go like for event object the exact function in next recording do event object remove the exact function. Oh, this is silly, but it'll work. Look at this. Moderator, reason blacklisted 12 hours ago. Yeah. It's a pretty sick moderation page, isn't it? Made by It's a Name. Okay. Oh. This is dumb. I'm just gonna do the other timeline. Okay, so yeah, I literally could use timer event forwarding here and have a hash table, but like, this will work. Do I ping the moderators about it, or do I just let them handle it eventually when they have time? $25% get advertising badge? That's what I want to know. I think Roblox is counting people who've already played for some reason, who are like joining again. It's actually really dumb. Wait, this won't trigger the event added. Yeah, actually, I need to not do this. Do I do it like this or do add event list? I don't know. Why? I mean, it should be making it before. I don't know. Whee! I need to start recording because I have OCD. Wah. Wah. Ooh, simulation timelines class. Okay. So then I can have the simulation director timelines class. Yeah, simulation director timelines class. New file. I just need this basically. Simulation director timelines dot wow. Wow. So I have input and I have control. Wow. All right, simulation director, instead of doing like, oh, I'm the input tracker. Oh, I'm the input timeline. I go like, self.timelines equals simulation director timelines class troot root. So control and input, and then I go like, oh, should I just like put these comments in the where it's right here. I could describe them here as well, but like I don't know. Cool. Now I have timeline groups. Wow, that's so cool. You're really cool. Timeline network. I still don't have that stuff. Simulation director timelines. Can you please make the simulation director timelines? Okay, so I have an input tracker, which is self.timelines.input, and then same deal, post to the input timeline. It's kind of cringe, but like, what do I care? A little tiny cringe, just a very small cringe. Sandwich ball. Coffee mug. Oh. I think I go like this. Do I have it indexed anymore? I think I don't. Yeah. I wonder who? I showed you on the moderation website. This guy. Sorry, that just came out. That's a yikes. Quaternions B-Hop. I wish I could have Quaternions, but the username is taken. Okay, well, I made some changes. Let's just make sure that it works. This is my audio setup. CD documents game. Make dev. Probably gonna break it. You know, it usually breaks. Bobucks. Hey, yo. Index nil with post simulation director 18. You're smoking. Oh, right. I need to find timeline. Okay, so blah 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 blah. There we go. Timelines. Timelines dot input. Ew. Actually, that doesn't need to be a variable. It doesn't even need. Oh, it does need to be them. Okay. Excuse me, simulation.timers. Okay, control timeline. Yeah. Okay, try it again. Why is premium currency the same price? Because it's a currency, and instead of being weird, it's like just kind of normal. That's not how money works. You don't just get a discount for having more money. But at the same time, you're kind of right that people were like, ooh, I can get a discount if I buy more. And then they just never use it. How do I activate turn binds? Arrow keys. It looks horrible, doesn't it? It has to go through 3 layers of camera abstraction. There's like 3 separate cameras. I really want to make the sub-step simulation for viewing because it'll look like perfectly smooth. Can you add slower turn binds? No, I will instead make the turn binds editable and better, probably. Do I need something to activate them? It doesn't exist in the current game, so no. How do people use it? They're cheating. All of them are cheating. Okay, well, any errors? Ain't no errors. Wow. Wow. Then why is there a channel that says turn binds how to activate?